Ayan, tapos na magpostura ang mother nyo. Nakabihis, shopping day today. Good day and God bless you all always. Ready na ang mother nyo. Go na, ready na.
Magpicturean ko pa, sister. Kylie, it's beautiful, right? Ayan. Magpipicturean muna sina ate at Khalid. Magpicturean ko pa. Beautiful, ha, Khalid? Wow, pogi naman, my boy. Mashallah, pogi naman. Choose now, Khalid. Which one you want, baby? Croissant, plain croissant.
Or donut. Oreo.
Hi, good morning, sister. We will order. Order.
Pili muna tayo ng almusal ngayon. Signature breakfast din. Breakfast. Breakfast. And oat milk latte. Manyaman din. Manyaman. Masarap, Khalid.
Good food, ah, Khalid. Abang Lola?
Abang. Brother, saan naman ito? Brother, please, I want the cabinet small. Before I saw it, I took it one. Okay.
Sana.
Hindi. Asan tingin? Sa pinaka-pila ko rin ito. Yung selyo.
Oh.
Naparehas mo. Ayan, dalawa. Dalang kukunin natin ito. Maraming magaganda ngayon, ha?
Mm.
Nakalampasan tingin.
Kaya na. Tapos si kami,
Okay, one.
green.
And my son,
Yusef blue.
green color. Cover. It is green color cover.
Ikamil kayo mga yan. Yung kitang kwarto dari kamil.
Green? There is?
Yes.
Okay, chip one. Good. Katil. Because this one, it's good if you cover. It's not moving anymore in the bed. You know, I have 3 kids, boy. And 1 girl. I need for my girl also. Ay, this one for Aisha.
Wow, yan ka.
Ang tindahan na kasi. Wala kasang tindahan.
Kadid.
This one, Canada, see?
Nice, kadid. What's that? You want?
Sun shoes.